Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women top designs, different color, different designs, different ideas for creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection and such type of work. So dear friends, I hope you like this collection. Different colors, combination colors you can see in front of you. Different colors like black, blue, red, yellow, green, purple, orange, gray, white, off-white, multicolors combinations, different style ideas, different top designs. I hope you like this collection. you know Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also give your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, you can wear this very stylish collection in office work and also wear in parties. You can see different style and different ideas. You can see full sleeve tops, sleeveless tops, quarter sleeve also. So flowering tops, simple tops, same color, different style, multicolor you can see in front of you. So try this collection, enjoy this video. So dear friends, most attractive, amazing collection you can wear. So now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.